Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to block user on Twitch. In order to block a user on Twitch, you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, you want to open the Twitch application and then log into your account. After you're logged into your account, you want to find the user of the person you want to block. So click on the browse button and then look for the person that you want to block. So let me just go ahead and type in the name. So let's say this is the person that I want to block. All right. So here, what you want to do is you simply want to tap on the button, or you just want to tap on the three profile section. And then here you have to go ahead and locate or click the username. So basically, you could find the username over here somewhere. So you have to go ahead and click on the vertical three dot icon within the pop-up and then click on the block option from the menu. So when you do this, you could go ahead and click on the button, and that is how you'll be able to block user on Twitch. Now I do not have a people, or I do not have followers, so the interface will be quite different, but you have to find it from your following list and then you need to go ahead and block them. So this way you could do it. You could tap on the three dot icon and then click on bot, and similarly do the same thing. Tap on the three dot icon and then click on the block button. So this way you'll be able to block user on Twitch. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.